Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a freelancer, online seller, or someone dealing with international payments, getting a Payoneer virtual card in 2025 is a game changer. It's secure, convenient, and helps you manage your money across borders. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up quickly and easily. First off, what's Payoneer? It's a global payment platform that offers virtual cards for online transactions, withdrawals, and more. To start, head over to the Payoneer website or download their app from your phone's app store. Look for the Sign Up button and create a new account. You'll need to provide your email, create a password, and fill in some basic details like your name and country. Once you're signed up, the next step is verification. This is crucial for security. Payoneer will ask you to verify your identity by uploading documents such as your ID, passport, or a utility bill. Make sure everything is clear and up to date to avoid delays. After verification, which usually takes a few hours to a couple of days, you can apply for your virtual card. Now, log into your dashboard and navigate to the Cards section. Select the option to get a virtual card. It's often free or has a small fee. Choose the type of card you need, like a MasterCard or Visa, and confirm your request. Before you can use it, you'll have to fund your account. You can add money via bank transfer, direct deposits from clients, or even link it to other payment services. Finally, once funded, activate your virtual card through the app or website. You're good to go. Use it for online shopping, subscriptions, or payments worldwide. Remember, keep an eye on fees and limits based on your account type. That's it for today's guide. Getting a Payoneer virtual card in 2025 is straightforward and can boost your financial flexibility. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.